Yeah.
DE. I'll take this one. Did you pull the
Hildebrand, no. He's got an attorney. Russell the files.
Did you file in here?
We did. We have them.
Oh, it's not her. It's um. They could have been.
70.
This happened last.
July.
No, I was.
It's all good. Might need to be.
What's the? 860122.
So that's when we started doing studies. Well, you know, you pay for this moment, and then another set. Right. All right, thank you very much. Soon, Judge.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's nice seeing you today.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you, guys. See you soon. See you soon. Thank you. All.
Is it defiles? Defease? I never would have done that. Come on up. Yes, it is. Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes.
You met with the prosecutor.
Yes.
You understood your rights and the options those rights give you? And you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator license on person? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle June 29, 25 in Romulus?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss both the original charges. What is the status of your license now, Mr. DeFeese?
Waiting, I don't know, tickets or nothing, it's just back in 2008 and 9, I was drinking and driving. And I went to rehab.
Right.
I sent the papers to the, what do you call that?
Driver's License Appeal Division.
Yeah, and they said they sent me the papers, I sent it to the rehab out in Florida.
Okay.
This was like, right after I got pulled over, I got on it.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to know? You working?
No,
When's the last time you worked?
so I cut hair.
Okay. Anything else? All right, fines and costs, $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the 5 today?
Yeah.
All right, go downstairs. When you pay your money, you can ask them what you need to do to schedule your 4 days. Have a great day. Good luck with that license.
Thank you.
Ametta Jones. Ms. Jones, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Is it all right with you if I dismiss this case? You're sure? You thought it through? Have a nice day. You cold?
I'm freezing.
Yeah. What's the name?
Hunter.
HU?
Yes.
Would you adjust the thermostat back there for Heather?
Oh. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right, let's see what we got for files. Hunter. 2 files. All right, it says here that you're going to plead guilty to malicious destruction of private property, and the prosecutor wants me to dismiss the retail fraud, correct?
Yeah.
Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And you understand the possible penalty for malicious destruction? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Tell me what happened on January 27, 2023 in Romulus that makes you think you're guilty of that charge. Did you destroy somebody's property or damage somebody's property?
Yes.
What property?
Oh, that's where I on the counter and I didn't come down.
Okay. All right. And this was at Madco on E-Course and Easter? Okay. Okay. I can accept your plea. I will dismiss the retail fraud charge. The prosecutor says that there's a restitution amount of $160 that you've agreed to. All right. Are you working, ma'am? What do you do?
I have a pet service.
What kind of stuff?
That's
Oh, taxes. I thought you said tech, like technology. Okay. All right. How do we avoid you since 23?
I've been driving for 2.5 years. And at first it was just I couldn't see anything and I had to get an assistant and a caretaker.
So tell me that story. What caused you to lose your sight and then you got it back?
I got my lashes done. Woke up the next day. Mine was just not funny, but I have to laugh so I don't cry.
What was it, chemicals or what?
Yes, I have a disease called VKH in my system because of my Indian blood.
Never heard of that.
Yeah, it's rare. And the chemical in the glue that they chose to use that wasn't lash glue caused a reaction.
Okay. So how did you get better? Just had to get out of your system?
Once they figured out what the disease was, they got a plan of treatment. I have surgery in September. And so I will be able to see out my eyes, but the disease will still be in my blood.
Okay. All right. So you've got, your vision is still impaired.
Yes, I can see like 2 lights outside of you and I can hear your voice.
Okay. Okay. So you can't even tell how dashingly good looking I am?
No.
What a shame. Joe, get her phone, take a picture. So after the surgery, she. Okay. So when's the surgery scheduled?
Go to say to get the actual date.
Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Wow. What a story.
So I know, like, firstly, they owe me money, but that was why I knocked the stuff off the counter because I was just going to pick up my cousin and she was walking on the side of the road out of the trailer park.
Right.
Sidewalk or anything, and I gave her my money for gas, and there was no gas coming off the pump.
Right.
And he wouldn't give me my money back.
Yeah. So you got frustrated. Yeah. Yeah.
But, okay.
All right. Let's see. And you've already posted bond money.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do. All right, so on the file, including restitution, the total is 450. So I'm gonna apply your bonds. I took the bond from the dismiss file, put it on this file. You're still gonna owe us some money though, because we've got bond fees, and so it's gonna be about 180 bucks will close you out. Can you do that today?
Yes.
All right, go on downstairs and see the cashiers. They'll figure it all out. Once again, good luck with your eyes. He certainly has that. You should just walk away. Go downstairs to the cashier. Yep. Oliphant. Good morning, counsel. One dirt full, your appearance.
To your staff, the legal source, court justice, and it's P 80445. Record attorney G. Clements on behalf of Mr. Bill in his presence.
Desmond Oliphant.
Thank you. Do you know if he filed an appearance? Because we don't have anything in the system yet.
It's my understanding, he did. I'm not certain, but if not, I'll check.
Just not on the ROA? Okay. In the computer, not on paper.
Okay.
All right. Would you waive formal reading so we can arraign?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll enter a not guilty plea. Counsel, you got a radio voice. What are you doing? What are you doing this for?
I've heard that many times.
Well, maybe they're right. Maybe you should like branch out. Maybe a radio show that talks about the law.
Yeah.
All right. So what are we doing today?
Yes,
Adjourn date?
during the 18th of September, agreed upon by myself to council. We just need to start on this.
Sure.
No.
Time. 9 o'clock on 9/18, live here. And I'm assuming you're not going to talk me out of a personal bond for Mr. Oliphant? All right. Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work? How long you been there?
5 years.
All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond, sir, with 3 conditions. First one's pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble. Second one's really obvious. Be here for court on September 18th. Third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules?
Sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? Counsel, we good? We'll get you a paper notice before you leave. You're all set. Have a good day, gentlemen. Name?
Yep, yep.
Yeah. What's the name?
Travel.
TR?
I have right hand.
Mm-hmm. Nope, I don't have any tramels. Tatum? Rodney?
It's Jacoby. No.
I've seen that file. Because I remember Jacoby. Oh, yeah, it's more. It's more.
It's more.
Yeah, tramels. Or hyphen. Lots of. She gave you the message. Mr. Moore, come on up. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, it says here that you're going to plead guilty to disorderly person and the prosecutor wants me to dismiss retail fraud. Did you read your rights form? The rights on the back of the sheet? Did you read those? You understand those rights? Understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, on June 23, 2025, where were you at 3380 Wick and Vining?
Yes.
Was that at the Sheets store? Okay. And what happened there that makes you think you're guilty disorderly?
To be honest, I really don't even remember everything. I got into like with the officer.
Were you drinking?
No.
Why don't you remember? You're high? All right. So I can't take a guilty plea because for a guilty plea, I need you to tell me what happened. But if you want to plead no contest, which means, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge, I can find the facts I need that support the plea because luckily the officer put notes on the ticket and the notes tell me what happened. So from your standpoint, it doesn't matter because there's still going to be a sentencing, right? Follow me? But you don't have to make something up because you don't remember what happened. You follow me? All right. You want to plead no contest? All right. And it's okay with you if I look at the facts on the appearance ticket? All right. So I can accept your plea to the disorderly, and I'll dismiss the companion case of retail fraud. Mr. Moore, are you working?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry to say that. I'm just on a good.
New job. Where were you working last job you had? Been a long time? All right. What kind of shift you working at Amazon? Do you know yet? What days do you know?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, fines and costs on the file, $500. I'm ordering 2 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the 5 today or do you need options?
So much,
Can you pay the 500 today or do you need options?
that's how much the,
Fines and costs are $500.
so if it was, if. Where would be anywhere? Cause to be honest, I was bad at you. I'm filing books, sir.
You threatened to kill somebody. That's what the disorderly person was. So if you want to withdraw your plea, I'll let you withdraw your plea and you can go forward with both charges. It's up to you.
Whatever.
All right. So I'll send you downstairs. You can talk to them about your options and you can schedule the 2 days on the work program. You sure you don't want to withdraw your plea? You want to withdraw your plea? Would you also like to get the advice of an attorney? Mr. Graziani is going to talk to you as soon as he gets a chance.
Thank you.
Counsel, I've got the file up here if you want to look at the plea offer. Christian Peters. Counsel, your appearance.
Dr. John Graziani, Penal number 4387, appearing on behalf of,
Good morning.
state your name.
Christian first.
Is this a final pretrial with the complainant to appear?
That is correct, Judge. We certainly want, and if there's another version in my client, and that can go, and it's, so,
How about September 18?
yes, Judge, that's fine.
Still at 9, Heather? 9 a.m. That's live. Ms. Peters, that works for you? All right.
Thank
We'll-
you, Judge.
You just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice. Trying to call civil.
There's only Sandy and only Marie here today.
What's your extension? There.
225.
Hey, I can't get 227 to answer the phone for me. What I need is I need Sandy to call 225 whenever she gets a chance. No big rush. Yep. Thanks. Andre Davis. Good morning, Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, are you going forward today without court-appointed attorney? All right. You've read your rights. You understand those rights and the options they give you? All right. And is that her already? Excuse me, sir. You're all right. Just stay right where we're at. Hello. Hey, when you can, Judge Tosano's asking me to cover some of her docket Wednesday. Can you let me know what my afternoon mediations look like as soon as you got a handle on that? No big rush. Thanks. All right. You understand your rights and the options they give you? All right. Says here you want to set this for a bench trial. You understand that this misdemeanor charge, you do have a right to a jury trial? You understand the difference between the two kinds of trials? All right, and you're waiving the jury so we can schedule a bench trial? All right. September 18th, 11 o'clock, Heather? We'll get you a notice to come back for that date. Any questions?
Officer be here too on the side, right?
I don't know how the prosecutor would handle the trial without the officer. So I would expect the officer to be here. Nah,
I want to file a complaint against that officer too.
you don't do that here though. That's at the PD.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'll do that. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you.
Yeah, he arrested. I had license.
Okay. All right. Any questions? All right. Just have a seat. We'll get you a notice for that court date. Just right there. Yeah. It'll just be a minute. That my Wayne County Judge's luncheon's back to me.
No. I have it, I started.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant sent. I thought it was in my inbox. I'm like, why is she sending that back? We got Walker. Mr. Walker, come on up. First name. We got more than one Walker up today, so I want to make sure. Good. You're going forward today without court-appointed attorney? Yeah,
he needs to.
yeah, put that one back. Yeah. All right. You met with the prosecutor. If I'm reading this correctly, you're going to plead responsible to double parking, which is an added charge. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $250. And then everything that was issued on July 3rd would be dismissed, right? Is that your deal? All right. Can you pay the $250 today, sir?
So, that's possible?
Yeah.
Oh,
When can you pay it all? Joe, your screen and calendar. Can you see the calendar over there? Yeah, well, you can walk over there. Yeah, go ahead. No, you can go.
So, 14th, I can pay the land. That's possible.
Yeah, I like Fridays, so let's go the 15th. You want to just pay it all by the 15th?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Because I'm assuming there's a line down there today. All right, so you're all set. $250 on or before the 15th. Have a great day. You're all set. It'll be in the computer waiting for you. If you don't pay it, then all these charges are back up and you're dealing with all of them.
I know this is weird, but when I pay it, I come back.
Front counter. Come back here and pay it at the front counter. I'm putting the double parking on the B ticket.
That's so.
Ben's back. I don't know.
Good. Oh, this is Mr. Walker's. Mr. Reeves, how are you today? Good. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? Do you also understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on July 2nd, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to that charge. I'll dismiss both original charges. What's the status of your license now, Mr. Reeves? What do you have to do? Do you know? Who do you owe money to? Are you working?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
First of all, man,
What do they do?
it's like a four bucks.
Okay. Full-time job? Good job? How long you been there? Okay, good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, fines and costs on the file, $500. I'm assessing 4 days in the court on the court work program in lieu of jail. That means instead of jail. Can you pay the $5 today, or do you need to talk about your options? All right, I'm going to send you downstairs. Downstairs, they'll tell you all your different payment options. They'll also give you information about the work program so you can schedule those 4 days. Any questions? You're all set. Good luck with your license.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Watson, come on up. Mr. Watson, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form today? You understand those rights? You understand the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of no valid operator's license on person? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today to the added charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied in Romulus on July 3? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now? What do you have to do to get it straight?
I believe you have to pay off the no insurance fines that I got, because that's really all it is no insurance.
Okay.
That's really
All right. Where at, do you know?
I believe I seen it would say the 32nd.
Okay. Okay.
It was the 34th. It was on.
We're 34th. Okay.
And then it was one more right here.
Okay. All right. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Right now I'm working at Amazon.
All right.
And I
Full-time, part-time? How long you been there?
I've been here for about a year now.
Okay. All right.
And I have insurance and everything right now, but I'm still working on it.
Okay. Okay. How soon do you think you can get your license straight, get everything paid off?
Like ASAP, honestly.
Okay. If it was going to save you money here, how soon? You can get them all paid off? You got the scratch to do it?
Cause I don't know exactly how much I owe.
Right.
But I do know I have like
Okay.
one officer told me I had over $5,000 worth of tickets.
Wow.
And I don't really know how to look that up.
Right.
So I just gotta really go to the course and find that
All right.
out.
What days do you work at Amazon?
I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm off Thursday and Friday, and I work that on day.
Okay. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Instead of jail time, I'm going to order that you do 4 days on the work program. You pick the days. We'll give you a schedule. The days that you're scheduled, you have to show up that day. So 4 days work program. I'm going to charge you $500, or show me that you've got your license renewed. All right. So I'm literally going to pay you $500 to go get your license.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. No, thank you so much. That's the greatest gift anybody's ever given me.
So much, like I don't know how
So you understand where we're at?
yes.
I'm going to give you 30 days to either pay us $500 or come back here and show us you got a license.
Gotcha.
All right. Go downstairs and schedule your work days. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Moore, you're back. Come on up.
John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Jacoby Moore. Mr. Moore, can you please identify yourself? Judge, Mr. Moore wants a trial. However, I'm asking for a final pre-trial. It appears that I'm on AC and this gentleman is on DC. and
Okay.
I would like him to get somebody else.
Okay. All right. So he's suggesting I give you a pretrial date instead of going right to trial. So on the pretrial, the next pretrial date, you can talk to another attorney and see if you got a better vibe. All right.
Gives us time in case it doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'll be our last day.
How about September 4th? What time? 9 o'clock? All right. All right, Mr. Moore, have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice. You're welcome.
Is that Mr. Jenkins?
Mr. Jenkins? Jenkins?
Was it dismissal? Judge?
It's a dismissal.
Okay, he's up there.
That's all right. You can send him on his way.
Hello there.
I just wanted to say hi before I figured out what's going on with my clients. Hi, Jill.
Hello, Crystal. How are you?
Here is my.
Oh yeah, Brian Carey tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna get here first, and I'm gonna go to Inkster. Yeah, today it's 01/8/13, and then I came here. My assistant of 9 years walked out on me on Friday. Loud, walked out on me on Friday. So, I don't, something personal, something's going on, it's so weird. No, I think it was personal and then it became something more, in my office, it was very sad, the whole situation is very sad. But the point is, 9 years, and I'm like, oh my God, I need to hire somebody, and.
That's gonna be such a time suck too.
Oh, God. Judge, if you see my calendar this week, which again, I'm very blessed, but I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, I have to figure this out. I have my aunt and uncle in my office right now, trying to figure out how to answer calls and just help me out. My aunt and uncle, because they speak Spanish, she's like vacuuming the floor, making coffee, I'm like, oh my God. I have 2 interviews this afternoon, but I mean, just do all the immigration cases. She walked out, we were literally in the middle of preparing packages for meeting, and then I made a comment, and then she didn't make a comment, and then it just blew up from there, something that had never happened in 9 years. It's just crazy, crazy. I had to do all of a sudden, I lost a lot of weight, and I really prioritizing that. I don't know, it's just like she just started eating it for 9 years, you know. I don't know. She also has
Maybe
a
she's lying.
boyfriend, she has a boyfriend in Mexico, that can't come here, her job is what keeps her from going there, so. That's all speculation, you know what I mean?
Morning.
All speculation. All right, guys, I can still look to work. Stephen's crazy.
What have you got?
She's Crystal, to make sure about the omission.
So I don't know if you, I'm hearing Malik McAllister. I had filed a motion to withdraw.
Oh, yes, okay, yep, I remember.
So, yes, I would still like to do that. I would like to withdraw and
respect counsel.
yeah, and actually, I want to refer him to one of my associates.
That works.
So if we,
want.
so
Great counsel.
you know, having done appointed work for almost 40 years, people don't like appointed work.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have him speak to one of my associates. If we could just adjourn the pretrial for a couple of weeks, give him a chance to consult.
Is
and
he
come
here?
back. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Okay.
You want to adjourn everything today? Or you want to hold the motion?
I want to withdraw
Yeah.
and then just
Yeah.
get a new pretrial date. So
Come on up, Mr. McAllister.
however the court wishes to proceed.
All right. Counsel, go ahead and put your appearance on.
Thank you and good morning, Maria Manarino, P 39531, on behalf of Mr. Malik McAllister, who joins me and stands to my right. Mr. McAllister, go ahead and identify yourself.
Thank you. All right. Sir, counsel has asked to withdraw from your representation. Is that all right with you? Okay. I'll allow that. I can give you a court date, September 4 or September 18th, give you some time to hire another attorney. 18th? Still at 9?
Still at 9.
Okay.
18 in the morning.
Yep. 9 a.m.
Thank you so much.
All right. Okay. Mr. McAllister, we'll get you a notice for that court date, and you owe $200 on a registration plate violation. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payments on that one?
Yes.
Do that before you leave the building downstairs? Okay. All right. Just have a seat. We'll get you a notice.
That one, that's downstairs, that here, it's the lawn. New courthouse, I haven't seen that courthouse yet.
When did we do that? The 18th or the 4th? 18th?
Yes.
There you go. You want to wait here? Yeah.
What's going on? Yeah, so currently the way we had things set up was you, me, and Karen, any two of us can take their business. We had to have two signatures. So they'll allow just. Yeah, yeah. So I don't know if they'll allow two of you to go to the bank and set that up or all three of them. Because that's just the way it was originally, so, if you were out of town, Jeremy could find me, and still take that. No. No, but I don't think he ever had to do anything other than deposits. But if he showed up, like checks, I always signed them. Homeric. I'm pretty sure. No? Well, I don't know. I haven't even looked at the whole box of stuff. I haven't opened it. So. The way, yeah, what we were gonna do is I got a bad week and I'm leaving Thursday to the meditation. Yeah, so Jeremy was gonna text me next week and we'd set something up. Cause I figured you were. Yeah, I figured you were probably more flexible than Jeremy. Yeah, all right, so let's talk next week. All right, cool, thank you, bye. So I got an email. I just got an email. Attorney Haddad's office saying they haven't really been. Be here at 10:05.
Because we don't have any,
It's 2 hours.
who the hell is even flying?
I don't know, but
Because we don't have anybody answering phones.
Why?
Naomi's gone, Carol's gone.
Yeah, I know.
Nobody.
Yeah.
So, I mean, unless Mariah's answering. But, Ferris got it.
would you see if there's a Mr. Haddad out there and let him know that we just got an email from his attorney's office saying that they'll be here about
You
10
mean
on Friday.
Rosu.
Rosu, right,
Yes.
Rosu.
Yeah, Rosu is here. He already checked in.
All right, so let him know Mr. Haddad's office said Mr. Haddad will be here at 10:05, which was 4 minutes ago.
Was thinking the same thing here.
Bring them. Okay. Fine.
Roll soup.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's a show cause I think it's also pre-trial, but I'm
Yeah,
not sure, isn't it?
Yeah, so if you want to talk to Angela,
Okay,
thank you.
yeah, I appreciate it.
We have no room back actually too. Joseph Larkin. Chelsea. So I'm, yes, I'm thankful.
Then so she would know, so Judge should be coming up shortly.
All right.
Thank you, I told you to come in the court when she was ready.
Michelle gone this week too?
No, Michelle's in with Judge Martin. I'm working with Judge Martin.
Great.
Oh, you got it?
You judge if you'll cross that one.
I got Orsini gray. And I don't have an Orsini gray on the list.
Yeah, she did.
Who'd you want me to scratch off?
ROSU. My daughter's a strict.
Oh, here, I got her.
Oh, this one introduced. Right.
No, I can't find it either.
It might not.
Gray,
That one is,
Orsini gray.
it's Crystal's case, so when Crystal comes in.
It is on the area.
Rosu,
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Defendant on behalf of Mr. Rosu, states to my right. Day and time set for a show cause and a.
thank you.
Judge, I was retained after this was set for show cause. My understanding from my client is he didn't show up for Zoom, but he did call right after. He's never used Zoom before and he had trouble figuring it out. He did contact the court right after and was set for in-person thereafter.
All right.
We're happy to just stay in person, or if the court would like to go back to Zoom, obviously I'll show them how to use it.
Still at 9 o'clock on the 18th.
I'm 8:30.
All right, counsel, would you waive formal reading?
With formal readings and stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea. Pretrial date September 18, live, 8:30 in the morning. You okay with a personal bond?
That'll be more than that.
All right, Mr. Rosu, am I saying that right, Rosu? I'm gonna put you on a personal bond, 3 conditions. The first one's pretty obvious, stay out of trouble. The second one's pretty obvious, be here for court on September 18th. Third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription for the substance. You understand that? Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up?
Yeah.
Any questions? You have a seat. We'll get you a notice in just a minute. Counsel, anything else?
No, sir.
Have a great day. You're welcome. Is it Mackins? Did I say that right? Come on up. Mr. Graziani, your appearance for Mackins.
Well, no, that's okay. John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Patrick Mackins. Mr. Mackins, please step to the podium. Please identify yourself with Patrick Mackins. Simply asking for an adjournment, Judge.
September 18, 8:30? That work for you?
This he says.
All right, you just have a seat. We'll get you a notice.
And with voted, or is it going to you?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Is it going to you?
Was he going to? He could go to Mr. College because he.
Okay. Thank you.
Who's gonna leave in the back?
Joe. But he can work with you, can't talk. Well, he gets some.
Sure do.
Yeah, and he's, right, and he's on that. But you do. You might not like.
Yeah.
But, you know, he's gonna be 2,000.
Yeah.
We can go down here.
Wow.
And I can see the new place too.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize,
And what a great experience for him.
yeah, or ask him to come here.
Right. Right. Either way, yeah. Good morning. Are you as scared as you look? Calm down. You're not going to jail today. All right. Your name is Blankenship? All right, and you're going forward today without a court-appointed attorney, correct? Oh, Miss Medina? Did you talk to Miss Medina? Oh, all right, you spoke to the prosecutor. Yeah, yeah, all right. That lady doesn't work for you. She's very nice and she wouldn't take advantage of you, but she works for the city of Romulus. Okay? Do you want to talk to an attorney that represents you, or are you okay with this deal? You want to talk to an attorney about your options? Okay. Have MIDC talk to Ms. Blankenship. Take the file so they can see what she's got.
I mean, my computer was so much. I don't know. Right, because she shouldn't need to speak to her. Okay, I'll tell Joe just to bring her in the courtroom. All right, bye. Mona Avery show causes has been here since 8:30 and she's getting bounced around. What did Miss Blankenship just do?
Decided to talk to an attorney.
That's great, yeah. Thank you.
You ready on Greg?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Crystal Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Miss Gray. Miss Gray, would you please give your full name for the record, ma'am? Arthur Woodring.
Thank you.
Yes, the plea guilty to disorderly person. My understanding is that that plea is to be taken, or the recommendation is for it to be taken.
Yep.
771.1 for a period of 6 months, Your Honor. Ms. Gray is currently on probation. Her probation officer is here and her probation officer is aware of this incident, Your Honor.
Thank you. How long have you been on probation?
It just started.
So you were on probation, or this happened before you were on probation?
Yeah.
Right, all right. So have you discussed your rights and options with counsel?
Yes.
Do you understand those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of disorderly person? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily? On October 24, tell me what happened that makes you think you're guilty.
I think it was October 23rd, Your Honor, I believe. No, 24th.
Offense date and file says 24. Could be a typo. Let's see what the appearance ticket says.
October 23rd, 2024, remember in the city of Romulus on that date?
Yes.
And ma'am, were you part of a disturbance at the McDonald's on or around 9777 South Wayne Road?
Yeah.
And did your actions that day cause the peace and quiet to be disturbed of the people that were at that McDonald's?
Yes.
You satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. What should I know about Miss Gray before I sentence?
Your Honor, Ms. Gray currently lives with a friend in Farmington. As indicated, she is currently on probation. She did just go down to speak with court employees regarding her outstanding balances, Your Honor. So
Good.
she's expected to be on top of that.
Good.
She's currently a contingent employee of medical team. And I would ask that the court consider the fact that she's here accepting responsibility. Previously, she had been before Your Honor, and she indicates that she was a little confused by the questioning today. We were better prepared for that, Your Honor. Thank you.
So our address for you in the file is Annapolis in Inkster. That's not a good mailing? All right, you want us to use that Farmington address?
It's a PO box, I think.
I've got 29. What do you got in the computer? You got Annapolis?
No, but it should be like a forwarding PO box.
Oh, P O Box 3511 in Farmington?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'll change it to this file.
All right. All right, are you working now?
She's a contingent employee at.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that look like? I mean, how many hours a week do you average?
It's probably maybe 16. This week I worked 3 or 4 doubles and 2 extra nations just so I can try to get.
Right. So you can pick up extra when you need it.
Get when it happens.
Yeah, yeah.
In between, buildings, because the building Hunter, from that, in Westland, I was supposed to transfer out, but the other buildings don't have an open availability for me, so I just have to like.
Right.
So it's been a struggle, but they want to work on it.
You get good transportation, you're legal to drive, all that stuff?
Yeah, my license is good.
Yeah.
It was a restriction, but the restriction.
Then not in the restrictions.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. And I understand you're living in Farmington, so I'm just gonna give you the choice. It's $400 or 4 days on the court work program. So if you can, the days you pick them, you schedule the days. But when you walk out of here, you'll have a schedule. Each one of those days, you have to be back here that day between 8 and 8:30. Right? If you do that, then I won't charge any more money because you're already $2,300 in the hole with us. All right?
So would you prefer to pay the 400 additional that you're already owed, like you said, 2,000, or are you gonna sign up today for 4 days on the work program that are pre-scheduled? And that's here, the pre.
You'll have to be here, right, right, right.
But then I can just not work the day shifts and, not pick up the day shifts and just come here.
You schedule, for example, you'll walk out of here today with 4 days on a schedule, and then you can work your real job around those. All right? And that might be, I don't know if they're talking to you about that downstairs, but we might be able to take care of some of that $2,000 the same way. All right? You're welcome.
Maybe there's an additional money
Right.
that could be waived based on that work.
Yeah.
For bringing up
Yeah.
work and no additional fees.
Right.
Thank you
Right.
so much, Sean.
And remember that when you're talking to those people down there, they all work for me. So you tell them that Judge said I might be able to work off some of my money on that $2,300. And if we have to, we'll have another conversation.
Thank you very much, Sean.
Welcome.
Have a great day. Yes,
Bye, nice to see you tomorrow.
Oh, yes, tomorrow.
What's the name, Joe? Only one of them. Come on up on Allen.
Judge.
Good morning again, Judge and staff, John Johnson, and bring me up with Robert Allen. We received a reduction in operator's license.
Yep. All right. Good morning, Mr. Allen. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understood all those? And you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on July 16, 2025? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now? Still suspended? You know what you have to do to get it straight?
He's tried several times, Judge. This happened from an unfortunate incident when he was about 18. He was very young, obviously. I'm simply asking for mercy at this time. Seems like everyone's got a story that makes the profession interesting. He was working at Johnny's on the Lake. In fact, he was a chef over there in Belleville. And he's currently on a workers' comp case, and I usually think on a workers' comp case, you can get payments. Normally, he gets the payments. He has not received payments. We have hired an attorney, correct, sir? And
How long since you worked? Excuse me, counsel. All right. Last year? So over a year now. Whew.
family,
Right.
the park bench.
Right.
He is getting a car and also a med.
Okay.
They're just-
Okay. All right. Are you physically, you're able to work? All right.
What's the?
Say again?
What's the?
Okay. Okay. Hot oil. Ooh. What are they telling you? All right. So you're hopeful? Do you think, do you feel like you're ready to go back?
It's a technical place.
Yeah. So you're not there yet. Okay. All right. All right. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm not going to do any fines or costs. I'm just going to do 30 hours community service, which means charity work. So find some charity you can do sitting down. Just hook up with some nonprofit, volunteer with them for 30 hours, document those hours to the court, and that'll close this file out. All right. So somewhere you can answer phones for them, do some paperwork for them, whatever you can find. I'm going to give you till October 1. All right. If you're getting it done and you need a little bit more time, I'll work with you there. Yeah. Good luck with the foot. Maurice Booker. Morning, counsel.
Good morning.
Your parents.
Alex Green, the fourth P 657. My name is the attorney appearing with Mr. Maurice Booker to my left. Would you please state your name for the record? Maurice Booker.
Good morning, gentlemen. All right, counsel, no objection to a dismissal?
Got
All right, I will dismiss the assault and battery charge from October 28, 2017. Mr. Booker, looks like you're waiting for a hearing date on some Romulus traffic matters. And looks like you owe us money on, oh, those same ones. All right, so there's your hearing dates pending. And then I've got a 2018, all it says is non-public that he owes $770 on. Can you tell me what that is? What case number?
1625.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, all right. So we've got from 2016, we've got a no valid operator's license on person charge. Shows a balance of 770. No, that's not right. It was 774.
it was 774. Because of all the late fees, it was up to 1100.
They just didn't add it up.
Oh,
Yeah. All right. So are you in a position to set up some payments on that one? What I just told you, a no valid operator's license.
See, I just got my license back, so he wasn't on it.
Okay. The fact that you owe us money wouldn't stop you from getting your license. Okay, there's no suspension. There's no suspension. I don't know, what does that mean?
Pandemic, right, so he couldn't go to court, right, so I had
If this was 2016, the pandemic was 19 and 20. Okay. All right, so my question is, are you in a position to set up some payments on that 700? All right, what do you want to do? How much, how often?
I can pay the fee
When can you start?
next month.
September or, I mean, today's August 4th. So can you do anything this month or not? What day?
Probably next 2 weeks, I can pay the fee.
I'm just looking for it.
So you want to do 50 a month and start like the 15th of this month? Okay, go downstairs and they'll give you a paper payment plan to walk out of here with. All right, good luck. This is the one I just dismissed. Then I don't know what that means on hearing, on hold waiting for hearings. Kylene Myers? Is that yours?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Alex from the 4382657. I'm appearing on behalf of Highland Myers. To my left, would you please state your name for the record? Highland Myers.
Were you at 8:30 on the 19th or 18th?
8:30.
All right, how about September 18, 8:30 in the morning, gentlemen?
Yeah,
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Myers, looks like you owe us a lot of money on some other stuff. You know about that? Are you in a position to do something about that? We send you downstairs to talk about your options?
yeah.
What do you say?
Yes, he said he was.
All right, I'm gonna send you downstairs, talk about options down there. And Mr. Myers, have a seat. We're gonna get you a paper notice for this September 18th date.
I think I must have voted on that, or do you?
No, I'm just for today, I'm covering, so I probably, yeah, I'm not returned. Yeah. Just want to make sure it says to adjourn for discovery. Well.
I just adjourned it.
Oh.
Yeah.
The other two, I have adjournments now from on that same day.
Okay.
Okay, so just keep it as a MIDC, don't assign you.
No,
Okay, I'll just do MIDC, so whoever's helping that day.
got it, yeah.
So I'll, they'll get adjournments for September 18th as well.
Yes.
All right, you're all set?
Oh, I almost said.
Yep, just have them wait and I'll give them notice.
Oh,
For,
okay, great.
more Ruzi and Hugo Palacios.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, I'll get them adjournment dates.
Okay, great.
Talk to her, she didn't go forward without counsel.
Ms. Blankenship. Who's the lady sitting there? All right. Are you ready to go forward with that deal? Yep. Without an attorney? Yes? Okay. I'm not sure how far we got before, so we're just gonna start over. You read your rights, you understand those, right? And you understand the options those rights give you, correct? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you going to plead guilty today? Are you pleading guilty to the no valid operators? All right, and are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, did you drive a vehicle on October 20, 2024 in Romulus? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? One of those things? Yes? All right, I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now? You've got, you're valid. Great. Are you working? Where at? Where at? Okay. All right. Not too bad. All right. Full time? Good. How long you been there? Okay. All right. Looks like you've got another court date coming up. Oh, no, that was last week. What happened on your felony charge? Did it get adjourned?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And it looks like you currently owe us $336 on an impeding traffic ticket. Probably that you got the same day you got this misdemeanor charge, right? Yeah. Are you on a payment plan on that one? Okay. You're current? You're on track? All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you? Why were you suspended? On October 20th, your license was suspended, right? Okay. Okay. You got all that taken care of though, because your license is back. Okay.
Herman, and I was driving, they see one in the car, they had their valid.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. All right. What's your current payment plan with us? How much are you paying? How often? Okay. All right. How many hours a week do you work at the job? Good. Great. What do they pay? Give Mr. Taylor a call and see if he keeps track of jobs that are available in our area. Give him a call and see what he's got that might be a better fit for you closer to home. You can do that? What am I doing with this?
That's for Wednesday.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, can you Mariah or Vanessa or anybody downstairs call me, please, at 225?
I'm going to do money or I'm going to do community service hours, charity work. What do you want to do? You want to find time for some charity or you want to have time to pay on money? Good answer.
What was that?
40 hours community service by October 1. If you need more time, don't come to see me and say, I haven't done any hours, I need more time. If you come see me and say, I've got them almost done and I need more time, the answer will be yes. Understood? So you can, if you go downstairs to the probation counter, which is basically that end of the counter, ask them for our list of pre-approved community service. You can go anywhere that's a charity, right? Any nonprofit, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, but we've got some that are already approved if you want to start there. You got it? Questions? Have a nice day. What's this lady list for?
I don't know her name, so I don't know if she's waiting for an adjournment. I don't know.
Okay.
Because, well, then she's not being part of it. She's waiting for a while.
And what's your name?
In the back?
Kennedy.
Kennedy, yeah. And, I'm just. It's. Why, but not that. No, it's.
And I am sorry that I don't know what happened out there or why, but yes, you should have been taken care of a long time ago. Yeah. We're trying to take care of you, man.
We need, if you need merciful medical attention, I'll get an ambulance for you. All right, we'll get you.
And it wants it automatically put it in, and you guys can take it out. Yeah, it's because the money automatically goes in.
All right.
These are.
Oh.
There is. I don't know if it's my.
You know, is this the one?
No, Joe gets that.
Oh, okay. Right. Right, you can just bring it up. Wow. Are you ready? All right, People versus Julie Kennedy.
Your Honor, let's go to the fourth page. Carrying her.
Take your time, ma'am. I don't have a clue what this says.
Okay, so.
I don't know what she owes. I don't know what she owes in hours or money. This show cause notice doesn't tell me anything. Do you know what you owe?
Which I was making payments on a regular basis to Mr. Taylor. And I thought it was all caught up, and then I got this thing in the mail saying that I had to come before you, and
Right.
I went and I got the plates and insurance on my vehicle, which is what I was ticketed for.
Right. Have you changed your phone number or anything? Because he says he's been trying to call you and can't get hold of you.
No, but I lost my job, so my phone got
Shut off. Right.
So he may have tried while my phone
Right.
was off, but
I'm 20.
Shows 120? Okay.
I was making payments on a regular basis.
Are you still not working or are you back to work?
Oh, I don't, got this.
Okay. All right.
I don't work anymore.
And Your Honor, if I may.
Not yet. All right, go ahead, counsel.
Oh, it's just that, and this was probably furthermore a little bit confusing, to this candidate because she had, some similar charges this year, and so those were resolved. So these are a couple years old.
Mhm.
I did look, to see if she brought insurance.
Right. Okay. So you don't have to do the community service. That was a way to close out the money. So we're perfectly okay just doing payments if you want to do it that way.
I was all caught up.
Right.
Like he was saying, he could understand the confusion. I didn't know I still owned.
Right.
Got this to say, come see you.
You're here. Yeah. Okay. All right. Did we charge her a show cost for today? Is that part of the 120? And is she current with her, is it a monthly payment?
Yeah, I was making a monthly payment.
What did you make your last one?
No, he did not charge us.
$50, but I think it was the last one I paid.
Yeah, when?
Pardon me?
When was your last one?
I don't remember.
Has it been a while?
It's been this year, but it's been.
Okay, all right. So can you do monthly payments?
Social Securities.
Okay,
And I not even able to pay my rent with that.
okay. So what can you do?
How much do I owe?
120 right now.
I do like $25 a month. $50 a month.
I usually don't do less than 40, but if the most you can do is 25, we'll do 25. When do you want to make your first one?
I don't get my next first in September. And if I can, I'll pay a little more.
So you usually get your check like the 3rd-ish, right?
You're right.
So September 5th, too tight?
That's fine.
You sure?
That's fine. Yeah.
All right, once again, the problem was he couldn't talk to you.
Ah,
So that's why we sent you the mail. All right. Yeah, and then your phone got shut off. Yep, I get it. I get it. All right, so go downstairs and set up that payment plan. All right, you're all set. Oh, that was all together. That's all her stuff.
Thank you. It's $25 a month, Judge.
Yeah. I don't know. Certified mail, and then they have no email and we've not received it yet. So that means they emailed the party, I'm assuming.
I don't know how it is down there.
Hey, clarification. This 1 o'clock, it says, emailing, we've not received it yet. So you've emailed asking for proof? Oh, we haven't received that yet. So at this point, it sounds like everybody's served. Right, right. Okay. Yep, thanks. Smith. Sorry, Mr. Graziani, I didn't see the paperwork come in.
Very hard. For the record.
Good morning.
Cortez Smith, please state your name, sir. Cortez Smith, and we're prepared to accept this very generous offer.
Yeah, and you know I'm gonna get it down to one file
Yes.
instead of the two. All right. Mr. Smith, the prosecutor sent it in so that we'll process 2 files. I like to save Heather the work, so I'm just gonna have her process 1 file and dismiss the civil infraction outright. I'm just gonna charge her a little extra money on the misdemeanor to get the prosecutor back where she wanted to be. Understood? Have you discussed your rights with Mr. Graziani? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge today? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus?
Yes, sir.
And was that on July 1? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? Mr. Graziani, satisfied with the plea? So am I. I'll dismiss both the original tickets. What's the status of your license now, sir?
I have an appointment with an attorney to, start the process.
Go to the appeal? Good, good. Good luck.
Thank
Are you working, sir?
you. Yes, sir.
Where do you work? Yep. How long you been with GM?
Over 3 years.
Good. What kind of shift you working? Okay,
These are the fiance that fix it.
good. Okay. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you, sir?
I made a bad decision on that day to leave out on lunch break. That's what got me taken. I never left out, so since
Right.
that issue, I corrected the problem by cooking home dinners or.
Good. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but just to be clear, I looked at the appearance ticket. It wasn't your hunger pangs that got you in trouble. It was your speeding 65 and a 35.
Yeah, trying to get back to work, yeah. But if I didn't leave out for lunch. Yeah.
Can't argue that. Can't argue that. All right. All right, so normally on these cases, I would order 4 days work program in lieu of jail. Our work program, you got to be here. You schedule the days, but the days you're scheduled, you got to be here before 8:30 in the morning. You're usually back 2:30, but how's that going to work with work? Are you working 6 days a week now? What are you working?
Yeah, they got us on a 6-day work.
You got any layoffs, any shutdowns coming up? If you know of. All right. All right. Yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do is instead of the jail, instead of the work program, I'm going to let you do community service, which is charity hours, and those are flexible. I mean, you can find someplace on a Sunday morning to do that.
Okay.
All right. All right. So what I'm going to order is fines and costs of $500 and 36 hours charity work, community service, and I'm going to give you until October 1 to do that. So what I tell people all the time is don't wait to the last minute, come and say, I haven't started yet. I need more time, because I'm going to tell you no. If you come in and say, I've got 30 hours done, I just need a couple extra weeks to get it done, I'm going to say yes. All right. And you need payment options on the 500?
Yes.
Go downstairs and they'll give you all those options.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's have a good day.
You as well. There you go. Ryan Woodruff. Counsel, I think we set a couple more for you 8:30 that morning on the 18th.
Okay,
We'll just do this one at the same time.
that's fine.
All right. Adjourn. Mr. Woodruff. Oh, I'm sorry. Counsel, your appearance.
In your honor, Alex, 82657, appearing here with Ryan Allen Woodrow. State your name for the record, please.
Ryan Woodruff.
All right, Mr. Woodruff, that worked for you, September 18th for your next court date, 8:30 in the morning?
Fine.
We'll get you a paper notice in just a minute.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Is it Courtney or Ryan that we're doing?
Ryan Allen Woodruff. I haven't seen that ticket in a long time. Yeah, I haven't seen that one in forever.
Counsel, what's your client's last name?
James.
Yeah, Daryl.
It sounds we got it.
She is doing something. Judge Payne's work. Yes, she's giving it for she.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Scratch. Counsel, they tell me the prosecutor's tied up in the other courtroom right now, so as soon as she's available, we'll get you up here. Lady behind counsel. She's with them.
Yeah. Is Michelle here? Oh, okay. She wasn't in.
She's not over there.
Oh, she's over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I just gotta talk to her about our renewing the date for one of our cases for Friday. So I was gonna catch her before I fell. Cause that's the only quarter I have been.
I will,
We'll get the report back. And we'll go with that.
Have a seat. Appearances on James. Good morning. So let's get started, but I might interrupt just to take care of some fast stuff as we're going. I'm ready. Oh,
I'm just looking for the date. Both the officer and the complaining witness were notified of today's hearing and they needed to be present in person. I have not received communication from either of them, indicating that they were not available to attend today. It looks like the officer was subpoenaed. A letter was made from, like a little, 2.5 weeks ago. Witness, the officer was notified, by email, Sergeant Nippes, on July 20th today, and neither of them have appeared.
Case dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Joe, make sure James knows he's got a probation violation scheduled for August 12th. I missed that. Did you hear that we're losing another issue?
No,
Already leaving.
no way.
15.
One more charge. We didn't rent versus he's homeless. Okay.
What's the name?
Mohammed Toure.
T.O. Thank you. I got him, Joe. Come on up.
Very much, sir.
Yellow. Oh, the 1 o'clock? Okay, thanks. Counsel, your appearance.
John County, appearing on behalf of Mohammed Toure, please, and identify yourself, Mr. Nathan. I'm Chip Dillery.
Thank you.
Judge, we accepted the offer over here, but this is an unusual set.
Mhm.
He obviously been given address. He is currently homeless. He lost his job because of this incident, but he hopefully gonna be in the process of getting.
Where were you working, sir? Go ahead.
And his sister threw him out for whatever reason. He doesn't. Her.
All right. So you're living in your car, you surfing from couch to couch. What are you doing? Okay. All right. So, how did you get here? What route did you take?
94.
Okay, all right. So you know where you pulled in the driveway. When you leave, instead of going out and turning right to go back to 94, turn left, go around this building and you'll see a sign. It's the old courthouse and the sign says Wayne Metropolitan, whatever it says. All right, Wayne Metro. Go there and they've got lots of resources. They have special programs for homeless folks. Sometimes they have housing ideas, okay? So go, when you're done with us, go see them and see if they can help you out at all. You got that? So don't turn right to 94, turn left, and it's the very first driveway. Turn in there and park, and you're going to go in the building. It's on the side of the building. All right? Okay. All right. So on this file, did you talk to counsel today? Do you understand your rights? You understand the options those rights give you?
Yes.
Yes. You understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license on person charge. Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Yes.
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Nobody's making you do this, correct? Okay. Did you drive a vehicle on July 15, 2025 in Romulus? Yes.
Yes.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. I'll accept your plea. All right. You're currently on a payment plan? All right. What's your payment plan? What's it require you to pay? Are you paying monthly, weekly? How much?
35.
All right. Are you coming up with that? Can you do that? Okay. You got a car, you're driving, you got a license, all that stuff? I can do, here, you owe us $855 currently, plus today's file. I'll give you a number of work days. If you show up every day you're scheduled, you show up here, you'll go out and work that day, you come back. I'm thinking, how many days? I'll do 8 days and that'll close everything. That'll be today's file and the $855. Can you do that? You want to do that to be done with it? All right. So you go downstairs and you schedule those days. You can do 8 days they have. The first 8 days they have, you can spread them out. I don't care, however you want to do it. But that'll close us out. They'll probably be able to use you tomorrow. Okay. So that way it'll save you $35 a month and just be done with it. All right. I'm going to do 4 and 4. So 4 on today's file, 4 on the stuff that his payment plan's on. All right, questions? So get your schedule for the work days, then go over to Wayne Metropolitan and see if they can help you out. All right. Good. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. You're welcome, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Once again, just slow down. 90 and 70. Like the guy working at GM, 65 and a 35 when he knew he didn't have his license.
Well, and his first tickets, he had 26 and over, no proof of insurance, registration plate, because he was driving man-thing cars.
But
And he's speeding, he's probably driving Mustang or whatever. Yep. And he's telling them he shouldn't be responsible for those because he's driving a company car.
That's probably why he lost his job, is because they looked at the ticket. So, keep working more fast for you.
You have a drug early.
No, I didn't even ask you. So the 3 women took 9 kids. I think the oldest one was 7. But all under the trooping out to Fairy Gold and to look for the fairy treasure. Shiny said they all game. So, well, their friend Danielle go to dinner at Parliament. Well, Jessica had all the other kids, including her brother. At one point, Danielle looked at us and said, does he remember he's a dog and anything like this? She said, my dog would have bit me 4 times by now. She said he was bucking like a horse. She said she's got a spot on her leg she didn't realize till yesterday that it's bruised. He kicked her, it's scratched, but he kicked her hard enough with a dog's paw that it bruised. But he said she said never tried to bite anybody.
He's the best dog.
Yeah, come on. She said there's between 20 and 30 quills. We yanked them all out. They left 2 little pieces in that they couldn't get out. One was right at the pad of his nose. So they just keep bathing them with hydrogen peroxide and hope it dissolves because the bar, as the dog moves, that bar will just keep going. It only goes forward. It doesn't back out. It only goes in. So, one of them might work its way on the side of his lip. Yeah, but her buddy Kimberly's up there. Her husband's got 7 bear dogs. And he says, pull all the ones you can, and they just keep.
How are you?
Didn't recognize. Hey, Judge.
Terry, how are you? Good.
How are you?
Good. How's our buddy doing? Post-op.
He's in Alaska. He's on a cruise.
Yeah, I told him when he told me he was going to Alaska, I said, well, that's the best timing ever, because otherwise you'd be working when you're not supposed to.
And he's been working. And I told him, I said, dude, what do you need? I can run out. Oh, no, I got it. I got to get out. I'm like, I don't know.
But it's so funny. We were texting back and forth. Well, it was like day 2, I think, after the stint. And I said, so you're lucky. You got a wake up call. You get to make some lifestyle changes. Yeah, Terry already said I got to give up cigars. I'm like, I'm thinking to myself, you kind of give up more than cigars. How about living off on the fast food stuff? But when I talked to him, when I actually talked to him, he says, I really don't eat that much fast food. He says, I